Okay, Jordan, when you log into class, you're going to click on this little book here that says Lessons. And then for the first DBA, it's going to be in Gallery 2, so we're going to click 2. And then you're going to come down here to 2.07, Short Reflective Writing and DBA. So you're going to click that. Now, you have this overview here. You're going to go to the next page. That's this arrow. And it says right here, apply your art history skills by selecting a work of art from the Hellenistic period to respond to the prompt. And here's the prompt listed. The human body is one central subject. In ancient art, used the selected work from the Hellenistic period to explain the depiction of the human body was representative of Hellenistic Greek ideals and the capturing of cultural content in the period. So you're going to identify the artwork. So you're going to tell me what the title is. You're going to tell me the date or period that the artwork's from. So tell me the date. And then connect at least 2 elements of the artwork to the culture. So you're going to write a paragraph. So what you can do is if you go up to Khan Academy, and then and you can pick any of these. These are all Hellenistic works that are going to pop up for you, and they're 3 really good ones. Ah, no, go back. All right, what happened here? Sorry, I got a weird screen pop up. Don't go away. Exit. There we go. All right, so you can pick any of these. So Lagoon and His Sons, Winged Victory, Seated Boxer, Dying Gaul, and either read about them or some of them have videos with them. Watch the video, and then you can write your paragraph based on that. Let me know if you need more help with it.